How can you get professional-level security without the cost of 24/7 on-site guards, real-time security updates without costly investments, full-spectrum security that can be readily customized? Mobile Guarding by Securitas delivers. Mobile Guarding uses Securitas officers driving clearly marked vehicles to quickly respond to alarms, escort employees, and open and close business premises. Our officers can quickly check in on your site at various times. While not at your site, our officers continue patrolling a defined geographic area, making them ready to quickly respond to a variety of situations. This highly flexible approach gives you the benefit of on-site security without around-the-clock payroll. At the core of what Mobile Guarding does are patrol inspections and alarm response service. Patrol inspections are customized for each client. These inspections typically involve our officers driving the perimeter of the client site to look for suspicious activity while also providing a visible deterrent. Officers frequently get out of their vehicles to check doors or to lock and unlock them according to client-specific post orders. All inspection results are recorded via our proprietary Securitas MobileVision tool, which provides complete transparency to our clients and immediately alerts clients to any issues found on site. Patrol inspections can also involve our officers performing interior inspections. Officers look for safety hazards, check interior doors, and adjust equipment according to client post orders. Securitas Mobile Guarding performs nearly 3 million patrols annually, easily making us the largest security patrol force in North America. In addition to proactive services, our mobile officers can quickly respond to alarms, whether they are dispatched by our National Communications Center or an alarm company. In fact, Securitas has contracts with many of the largest alarm providers in the country. Having responded to over 600,000 alarms last year alone, over 1,600 a day, our officers have the deep and daily experience to back up their specialized training. Many municipalities require alarms be verified prior to police responding or impose extremely high fees for police to respond. This makes our Mobile Guarding alarm response exceptionally cost-effective. And having the largest mobile security footprint typically allows us to respond faster than any other provider. When an alarm system is triggered, our nearest Securitas mobile officer is dispatched to the site. The officer will investigate and enact the proper response. If the area is clear, the officer will reset the alarm. If an issue is found, the officer will contact the proper authorities, such as building maintenance, law enforcement, or emergency services. Via MobileVision, real-time reporting instantly alerts you to any security issue that is discovered. Alarm response by Mobile Guarding works exceptionally well as a standalone service. When paired with Securitas Remote Guarding and/or Securitas Electronic Security, clients are able to receive full-spectrum, cost-effective security, all from one provider. Securitas Mobile Guarding also offers several additional services. These include employee safety escorts, which provides a safe environment for at-risk employees in the field, or employee escorts. First-line maintenance, where we perform simple tasks otherwise requiring more costly service technicians. Transient interdiction, ensuring ethical engagement of vagrant and homeless persons who are trespassing on client property. And lone worker checks, to help clients' lone workers feel safe. Mobile Guarding is more than just a smart solution for clients with limited security needs. It is also an ideal way for clients to supplement their existing security plans. For example, mobile officers can replace static officers during low-activity posts, or provide a human element to sites with camera systems but no on-site officers. Mobile Guarding provides unlimited levels of client customization. Our local branch managers are well prepared to assess your requirements and then develop highly tailored options for your specific needs. And because Securitas has the largest mobile guarding footprint in North America, we have the ability to service clients in approximately 99% of major markets in the U.S. Mobile guarding. One more reason Securitas is the leader in protective services.